Probably took about the same amount of time too, I bet. All right. So next up, let's see what else the sketchbooks have to offer the gods of history. Let's see. Oh, we got another car. Should we do another car or save that one for later? What do you guys think? Should we do another car or save it for later? This one's a car interior, which I don't necessarily want to do. I did have some from some other sketchbooks that I didn't show you guys. This will be fun. So this is a kiosk that I was kind of working on at Astro Studios. I think it was when Astro Gaming was just starting out. And we were going to go to, I think it's PAX West up in Seattle. PAX Northwest. West, Northwest, whatever. But yeah, this is a little kiosk. So I thought this would be fun to maybe do just a front view and some sort of perspective view of a kiosk. So we'll do that. Then maybe we'll jump back to a car. Okay, so quick front view. And I'm going to try and stick to the original here in some fashion. So we had a main table, and it looks like some sort of banner on the top, right? I won't try and recreate the logo, but we'll just say it's some banner, and then I can put some fake graphics up there. All right, so something like that. Let's put a ground line in. What's up, Lynette? Just a ground line in, and as far as people scale, you know, maybe something like this to show, hey, there's a person here. Super quick. All right. I'm gonna make this a perf texture. Yeah, ID jobs are hard. I found success just branching out and doing other stuff as well, whether it's illustration, UX, packaging, you name it. And freelance ID is hard too. I'm not sure what's on the table here, but let's just say there's some sort of display things on this table, or maybe under here there could be some sort of display thing, maybe a shelf, some product. Oh, we got two Lynettes. What's up? Two Lynettes. Is the universe gonna implode if you like communicate with each other? You know, like matter and antimatter. Would that happen? We'll never know. Or maybe we will. Okay, so now perspective. I get to decide how I want to show this, and I'm gonna do above, below eye level, because that makes the most sense, but kind of a forced 3-point as well. All right, so just get some lines down. Now, if you want a cleaner sketch, you can either try and freestyle something like this, right? Or just go for it, which is kind of what I'm doing right here. And maybe I'll change the design as I go. So I like the idea that this wraps. Right here. I guess it's kind of like the front of that car, but back then Fig Newtons were all the rage anyways. And let's go ahead and divide this, and I'm changing the design a little bit here. Little line weight to help this pop. I'm gonna keep this one kind of sketchy and loose, meaning, sorry, not really sketchy and loose, but rather not putting too much marker into this one. All right, something like that. I mean, you know I say that now, but it's also hard to not want to do more. So I have a couple options for this canopy, right? I'm thinking about, okay, how is this going to be suspended? Is it going to be on wires? Is there some sort of support structure? I'm going to go with some sort of support structure in the middle. So I'm just drawing these lines toward the middle here, like so. And then I want them to come down, maybe in the middle of this space. And then I had these display things on the counter, so I'll use that to cover up. Now I need to put a person, perhaps interacting with another person. So let's go ahead and sketch someone in here. You know, just some sort of placeholder. And there's their hand. Something like that. This probably should be a bit higher, you know, but we'll keep it as is for now. And we've got person in the booth here. You know, maybe leaning over a little bit. So I'll do stuff like that when it comes to people in a situation or context, something like this booth. All right. And like I said, this will just be super light color marker, nothing major here. Let's make these into pants. I forgot how to draw pants. And pockets. Oh, I forgot to mention, shoot. Oh, thanks, Vivek. Welcome, thanks for joining. I forgot, I made new stickers, and I'm thinking about putting these in the store. Of course, Patreons, you got the hookup, you got the inside connection, so I'll send these to you, but I do have some additional stickers. I'm trying to help support what I do, so I'll put these up. I'll start making some more as well, just things I say or do, little reminders, that kind of thing. But if you're interested, I've had a few people ask already, just based on Instagram posts and whatever. So would love the support, but as always, not obligated by any means. This is Sketch a Day Live. If you're just joining, welcome. These Papermate pens are just like juicy today. I don't know. I think it was on the Sunday show. I was really struggling. I was really struggling with these pens, so I'm happy that they are working today. I'm not up here struggling. I think I chucked like 8 pens, but I also ordered some new pens. So I'm excited to get those. Fresh pens are always awesome. Just adding some hatching here for shading. Like I said, I want the line work to really carry this more than the markers this time. Maybe this is a door to enter this booth. Let's stack some product up here. I don't know. Maybe there's just some stuff in this kiosk. Now it kind of feels like a mall kiosk, but either way, I'm just going to throw some placeholder stuff in here. So today we are, just in case you're wondering, we are revisiting some old concepts and just seeing what my take on sketching those things today would be. Because your style kind of evolves over time, changes, evolves. So I thought it'd be a good exercise to kind of revisit. I'm certainly less precise than I used to be, but I'm okay with that because I've leaned into being more expressive and just like, even this grid pattern isn't perfect, but you know, I can kind of fade off here and have these kind of just be more of an effect if I want. It doesn't have to be a perfect thing. All right, let's get our shadow. Wherever possible, draw with your shoulder, but for small areas like this, I like to just hit it with my wrist, especially this. This would be really awkward right now, trying to cover this small area on the bottom with drawing with my shoulder. So it just makes sense. All right, maybe I will put the Astro logo on. At least I'll do the Astro A. At least the old Astro A. It's different now. It is very, very different now. See, I don't even remember what the R looks like. Let me see. We'll just cut that off. Something like that. So I started playing Fortnite with my kids. I tried going solo today. Not really solo, it was supposed to be teams, but my team left me. Started at a level 3. I was a 6. I was the 6th person. I came in 6th place. It was pretty good. I haven't played video games in a long time. I used to be really into like Quake and Doom. It's really gonna age me here. But yeah, it's been fun. All right, so there's my quick kiosk sketch. Here's the original inspiration. Very loose, undefined, but wanted to kind of kick things up a notch, do something in perspective. Maybe this person's just really tall. So there is the before, if you will, an inspiration, and the after. All right, that's our second sketch. Should I add some gray? I'll add a little bit of gray. I don't want to get too carried away, but certainly for things like shadows here, we can just hit that real quick. Helps a little bit. You know, maybe even just on the front, some of these areas like that. Just hit it. Thank you, Milos. Yeah, I'm realizing that through much of my career, I have been the sketch guy, but I do a lot more than that. So I'm gonna start showing more, and hopefully it's not too late. But yeah, I'm gonna show a bit more of the stuff I do. Talk about it, all that good stuff. Like I said, the Patreons today got to see a full portfolio project that I put together. I'll probably show some more to them in the future. So if you want to see that, let me know. Check it out. Sign up at patreon.com/sketchaday. I guess I don't have the link on the video frame. So sorry for that. Patreon.com/ Sketch a day. Boom. All right. That's right, Lynette. Posca is another good one. I've been wanting to try those out. I went to the art store today, and unfortunately they were shut down because of COVID. So I wasn't able to go in and do that. But I do want to get some Posca markers. So there's our first sketch. Here's our second sketch. Now let's do another. Let's see what we got here.